name is Veli-Matti, and two things I am really passionate about are gliding and project management. I've been in the project world now for over 30 years, and I have been enjoying the free energy of the atmosphere for just as long. When thinking about these two passions, it's surprising how they share many important elements, especially the need to consider how to achieve the best outcome and performance while managing the risks involved. Everyone knows that planning and preparation build the basis of successful execution. Launching the glider without knowledge of the weather or missing flight plan or not inspecting the plane beforehand is a recipe for failure. So to avoid doing the same mistake in project world, I would do a stakeholder analysis, agree the scope, reserve resources, and create proper plan for project execution. During the flight you need to stay ahead of the plane and the changing environment, otherwise it can bite you in a nasty way. It's exactly why looking ahead for potential risks and mitigating them before anything bad happens is a key task for keeping the project within the plan. Dashboard and information systems are vital to provide the indicators of my performance. Missing the speed indicator readings can be compared to not knowing the progress of my tasks or agreed deliverables. Some of the key aids have not changed during these 30 years. The altimeter still relies on measuring the air pressure and converts that to height in a very efficient way. Likewise, I still communicate with my team frequently face-to-face to better understand their views of the tasks ahead. However, modern technology allows me to combine information from multiple sources to be used in tactical planning. I get my position, vertical movement of air, and location of other gliders on a single display to aid my decision making. In a similar way, while sitting at my desk, I plan solutions to help our customers integrate their project and resource data for decision making in their project world. If you wish to know more about how we do it using Keto project portfolio tools, just call me. If the weather is good, you never know, we might also take a glider ride together.